Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. Heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence and trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
Welcome. Good morning, everybody. We're watching the market open here. What is what is the dollar doing? The dollar is flat on the day. It looks like the dollar might try to push up off these lows here, potentially. So far, it attempted to rally and got rejected here on the hourly, but it's still making higher lows even after a brief rejection here. See what we got on the gainers here today. We got BDRX putting in some volume. Yeah, another wrecked stock. Wow. All right. EDBL also wrecked. MMET also wrecked. This actually looks decent though. Like, look at the weekly. You got like a weekly double bottom going on here. This could be a good swing trade right here. Yeah, this kit stock is looks like shit. Nikola getting rejected at the open here. I'm still in this trade, guys, but we'll see how this plays out. It's got to break above that 62-cent region. I mean, again, we're still sitting down here at range lows. It's like, being short this thing down here is stupid because, like, well, you're at a range low. Why would you want to be short here? Unless you know this thing is going to zero or something. But I don't, this is an inverted. I mean, that is a rejection on the weekly, last week print. But, I think that there is a chance that this can actually recover down here. I mean, if it's going to recover, this is where it's going to do it. It technically made lower candle body lows than the previous low, May of 2023, but good, man. How's it going, Crypto Soldier? Haven't seen you in a while, brother. The family's good. S&P, how's the S&P looking? S&P looks strong, dude. Putting in your highest weekly candle ever this week. It wouldn't shock me, though, if we did see some sort of drawdown here or some sort of pullback. We do have weekly volatility coming in. We are looking at a potential weekly cross up. My only concern is that, you're starting to diverge on the weekly here. But you do that when you go into uptrends. So, And like you could just have weekly bearish divergence for a long time. So, because I think your monthly, yeah, your monthly is overbought, but yeah. Just building quarterly momentum here as well on the S&P. So I think long term here it's gonna go higher for sure. The dollar coming off. All right. How's everybody else doing today? I think yeah, I mean today we could see a bit of drawdown or pullback with the dollar trying to bounce here, trying to test these ranges. All right. AVAX. Yeah. Well, the measured move of the wedge pattern is the top of the wedge, which is 140s. That's really it. And if you end up breaking all-time highs, we got like 450 as target. That's it. Looks good. It's in a squeeze here on the 2-day. I'm actually in Joe token, which is AVAX's AVAX's DEX coin, right? I think this here looks pretty good. You know, you got a nice channel up brewing here. Looks decent. It's actually more of a parabola structure that's being taken form here. You can see that it's pivoting right there, right? So like you got your parabolic curve trend line here that's coming in. And yeah, we could see way past $5 here for Joe token, I think. Thinking like $12 possibility for Joe token, yeah. Oh. You guys look at some pulse chain assets. I think these things are setting up for major movements. Pulse chain itself looks pretty good, putting in a daily hammer yesterday, right off the range low, and that looks fantastic right off the fib level, the 786 fib level. See if we get some follow through on that because I think ETH started moving, so this should start moving with ETH. Yeah, and you know, back tested the trend line that you briefly broke and back tested it. I think Pulse Chain is set up for some major movements here this bull cycle. I'm in some of these assets here too. I mean Spark, man, this thing's ripping. Holy shit balls. I think I'm up 100% on Spark. Spark swap. I'm also in a bit of this LUSD here. This looks pretty good. Look what this thing is doing on the weekly chart. Man, if this thing goes back up to test its highs, dude, that's a big move, bro. I think this is all the data on the chart. And you broke your weekly squeeze too. Looks pretty good. Flow, don't fade the flow. If ETH is going to run, flow is going to run with it. INJ also putting in a nice reversal the other day, right here at the bottom of the channel. I mean, this is textbook stuff right here. Don't fade INJ, man. I think this thing is next leg is $200, easy. And if you're into, some of the Cosmos ecosystem plays, I think, man, I think Neutron is going to do really well. I actually picked up a position in this the other day at 69 cents or something. This looks really good, dude. Right off the range low, big dragon pattern, falling wedge, whatever you want to call this. This looks pretty hot right here, man. This looks pretty good. If you can, close back above 69 cents here on the 2-day candles. And yeah, you're breaking out right now, dude. There you go. You got a breakout, 2-day candle, daily candle. This looks pretty sexy, dude. Pretty sexy. Pretty sexy. 2-day squeeze, massive. This is going to make a massive move. Crypto is looking pretty hot. GLQ is another great AI coin play. Look at this thing just breaking out. This is another massive trade setup here for sure. See what Nikola does. I got some options on this that expire in July. It's really trying to break this level, man. It's really got to get above this level, really. I don't have any signals on it yet, but man, it's close to doing it. Giving me a short 15-minute short right now, so it's rejecting here. Yeah. Let's see if this actually prints. It's probably going to do the stock garbage. Yeah, we had bullish divergence here, 4-hour. And the 8-hour has divergence too. I mean, does do some trading volume. We have 30 million in trading volume today. This is at, I think, at a range low. Yeah, well, let's see if this plays out. NVAX is just ripping, dude. This king just gone. $18 target looks like. Peloton getting wrecked. Zoom trying to hang in there, man. I got some calls on this. Hopefully this recovers because, I mean, this is also at the bottom. Yeah. It couldn't break that long-term trend line. It literally rejected it on its earnings, like right there. Boom, rejection. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's trying to round out a bottom here. So see what it looks like it's trying to do. So we'll see how this plays out. Yeah, so not really too much happening. I think we're going to see some more pumpage coming. That's for sure. Solana looks good here for an entry. Nice little falling wedge setup there on the 15-minute time frame. What's Pups coin look like? Pups. Pups looking good for an entry here too. With that divergence playing out, like that's gonna, yeah, that's gonna be a big move eventually, where it finds some support. What else you guys want to look at today? LUSD. Yeah, we were looking at it before. There's not too much to look at. You got a weekly stochastic cross up, so you're gonna see some major moves on this thing. And the daily's just flagging up here. Right? Just watch the volume here. So like that's important. We want to see continued volume come in here on this. Yeah, it looks like you're squeezing up here though. 4 hour looks bullish. $15 got to reset. Yeah, dude. So like it looks like this is gonna squeeze up, man. You see? That's it. Your weekly looks good. Your weekly RSI is probably wrecked city, dude. Oh my god, yeah. It's sitting down here at 34 on the weekly. This could make a major move. Could see some seesawing in here though, you know, like you could get some drawdowns, right? Some quick drawdowns. And that's really it. I think a lot of these assets look like they're ready to go. Even DAI looks good, probably. I would say LUSD looks a bit better than DAI. That's my point of view. But yeah, double bottom here looks like on DAI and a flag. Stochastic crossed up on the daily. Looks bullish for DAI also. XCN, yeah, sure. Looks good here, man. It looks like you're gonna squeeze. You might consolidate here for a bit. You got some like long-term trend line here that you're respecting. You know, maybe some sort of ascending triangle type of formation. And if you end up breaking out, it's about 160% measured move. Yep. Looks okay. My only concern is your 2-day stochastics are pointing down, but the daily looks good on it. Daily looks very good on it. Daily looks actually extremely good on it. Looks like you're going to get a big rip here, buddy. Like, you know, up to a 60% move could be happening shortly. You might consolidate for a bit. You might pull back to the bottom of a range for a bit. Render is an outperformer. Render is probably looking good. Yep, just sitting at the top of a range here, trying to candle through. Looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern in development. So just watch that dollar, man. So that's my only concern right now is that yeah, we got a breakdown, but we could get a bounce here too, right off the bottom Bollinger, right off the RSI band there. All right. It's pinning. It's trying to pin. So we could see some drawdown. Could see some pullbacks, guys. All right. All right. If the dollar does one of these, the retest, market pulls back, and then flush out all those late longs, and then they take it down further. The next leg up. So yeah, be aware of that. That's a possible scenario to have happen. Yeah. So Sorry, this is a very boring stream, so I'm gonna probably cut this. I got some things I got to take care of today anyway, so blow it up. Appreciate everybody tuning in. I'm not really trading right now. I'm mostly in spot positions. Just kind of waiting to see what Tether does here to find some entries, and that's it. And for these squeezes to play out. All right, folks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll catch you guys. How high do I think Bitcoin's going to go? That's a good question, man. I think we could potentially see a move up to these parts up here. You know, maybe 200K or something. Maybe higher. I don't know. Just really depends on what the risk on appetite is in the market and how bad the dollar is going to do. Well, that's all. But I think we're going to see some short-term movements down here with the dollar bouncing. So, all right, folks, we'll catch you guys in the next stream. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. If you guys are new and you guys want to join me, I have a Discord. Make sure you guys check that out. You know, I have to do trade calls pretty actively. If you guys are interested in those, I'm now full-time with this, so I appreciate all your guys' support, and we'll catch you guys in the next stream.